Yay! Finally, I managed to see one of the most difficult birds of Brazil. Finally. Wow, I'm so happy. Check it out. This is a very rare and elusive inhabitant of central Amazonia. Despite being quite large and showy, this bird can be super tricky to see. This jewel of Brazil is terrestrial and follows swarms of army ants, and sometimes groups of peccaries in search of insects, spiders, and small reptiles. Apart from that, almost nothing is known about it. This is the scaled ground cuckoo, guys, a subspecies of the rufous-vented ground cuckoo. What a bird! Look at that! There is this beautiful lodge in the South Brazilian Amazon that managed to create a feeder for these birds. Incredible. And that is the best way to see and photograph such fantastic species. What a bird! This is the bird. This is one of the best birds in Brazil. Look at that. I know a spot. For me, it took almost 10 tries before I finally got lucky. But to some people, it takes just one time, depends on your luck. In regular conditions, it is almost impossible to see it well. It needs large tracts of forest to survive. Considered rare and of high sensitivity, this bird suffers from deforestation and logging. And today, our aggressive agriculture and cattle ranching is consuming fast great portions of its habitat. Look at the degree of the destruction human beings are capable of doing with nature. What a shame. So selfish. Alright, guys, if you really want to see this bird, let me know. I have the perfect spot. My email is on the description of this video. And don't forget, guys, in nature, everything is possible, nothing is guaranteed. Alright, see ya.
Right here. Oh my goodness.